Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba once again. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and also if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe so that you can get notified every time I post new videos and new information. Guys, I'm telling you, this YouTube channel, it's all about forex trading. All you need to know about forex trading. I also touch on the basics of the Forex Heroes 2.0, which is the strategy that I teach at Forex Heroes. So basically guys, today's topic, I'll be talking about how to create your trading plan. Over the years, I've seen many people trying to confuse themselves and not really understanding what is the with your trading plan. You understand? Basically, in simpler terms, I'll just break it down in this way. A trading plan is basically the steps that you follow before you take a trade. So with that being said, for example, let's say you are driving a car. You know that whenever you get into a car, you have to put in your seat belt. You understand? So those are the certain steps that you need to check before you start driving the vehicle. So when you get into a car, you start by putting your seat belt. Then you start to check the side rear mirror and the side mirrors as well. That being said, it means you are preparing yourself to get into the environment of driving. So basically, you're preparing your mind to be able to understand, now I'm inside the vehicle, I'm going to drive. So with trading, it goes the same way. You get to see that there's certain setups that you see that, okay, this setup does not meet my trading requirements. So your trading requirements, they are into your trading plan. So basically in your trading plan, you'll say, I only take trades when I only take buys when the buys are at the support, or when I'm looking at a continuation pattern. Then you draw your continuation pattern, and you must always remember, you have to learn to trade your plan. Understand? Plan your trade, trade your plan. So in that manner, you get to be aware of the things that are happening and the things that you plan for. So nothing will surprise you. You won't just jump into any type of trade. You'll be able to take trades that you have prepared for, and you have to try to limit the number of pairs that you trade. With that being said, it will really help you to be able to follow a certain pair and then increase your trading level, because you'll be following each and everything on daily basis. Unlike trading 20 pairs, you understand, you can rather focus on 3, 4 or 6 pairs. You understand? I would advise that 6 be a maximum. So with that being the case, I trade US30, Nasdaq 100 and gold. So basically you can see that I'm more focused on the 3 pairs. The 2 are the indices and gold as well. So basically you get to understand the type of information that I'm able to grasp on daily basis, because I'm more focused on minimal pairs, the pairs that I know that when I wake up I look at this, when I do this I look at this. So that being the case, you get to understand that what do you need to write in your trading plan. You understand? You need to understand that whenever you are analyzing, you start from higher time frame and then you scale down to small time frame, and you know that I'll only take my trade that is with a risk level of 1:3%. You understand? Something like that, meaning you'll be risking 1% of your account size. You understand? You won't be taking trades that are not meeting your requirements. So basically, your requirements are what is comprised in a trading plan. You know that, okay, this pair moves this way, this pair moves this way. I'm only focused on taking buys this week, or I'm focused on taking sells this week. So with that being the case, you learn to see the information given to you by the charts. You understand? You learn to draw your trend lines, knowing very well what are the rules for you to draw your trend lines. So basically, the minimum that the trend line must touch is a minimum of 2 peaks. You understand? So that goes into your trading plan. You know that a trend line is sufficient enough when it has a minimum of 2 peaks or 2 troughs. The troughs are the ones that are at the bottom, and then the peaks are the ones when the market is your trend line is on top. So basically, with that being said, is information that you know that when you are in an uptrend, you'll be having troughs. You understand? Those peaks, those troughs will be at the bottom, and when you are having a downtrend, the peaks are at the top, and then your trend line will just go above the touching the peaks. So you get to understand that those are the rules. You understand? Plan your trade your plan. So basically what that means, it means analyze, forecast, be prepared for those type of setups. You understand? Hence we say plan your trade. You cannot just say, oh, wake up and say, I'm going to trade. Not really writing down what you want to do, what have you realized, especially in your beginners level when you are still learning. You need to know the mistakes that you are making. You note them down. That's what is going to grow you as a trader. You need to identify certain new information that you look at, that you see that, okay, this is new information, I've never seen it before. You need to be aware of the market times, when this pair opens and when does it close. You need to be aware of the spreads. You need to familiarize yourself with the chart analysis. You need to do back testing. You understand? You need to understand a pair much better. So with that being the case, a trading plan, it's not something that needs to be complicated. As you see, this is my trading journal. You understand? In this trading journal, it comprises of my trading plan, my set of rules that I look at whenever I see that no, I'm missing something here. I know that, okay, I can look at my trading journal, and then I can look at what do I need to do before I take a trade. So basically, you have to learn to understand that trading plans differ from one human being to another, because some people you get to understand that some people are day traders, some people are swing traders, some people are scalpers. So you get to realize that basically trading defines your character. You understand? If you are a quick person who like doing things very quickly, most people who are like that, who have that certain attitude or behavior, they are mostly scalpers. You see a person just like to do things very quickly, just like that. So there's other traders who are much more relaxed. They prefer not being stressed by the chart each and every day. They like to put their trades, then they leave everything to run on its own. So until it reaches the TP. So basically, you get to understand that trading defines characters of people. We are different humans, and you get to understand that in life, not everyone will do everything by the book, and not everyone will do things the same way. You understand? So basically, with my strategy, you are able to trade any type of market behavior, market environment. So you can scalp with my strategy, you can be able to swing it, so you can be able to day trade. So basically, with the strategy that I teach at Forex Heroes, it's basically allows you to be able to manage your time. Each and every time you want to trade, you can trade. Each and every time you want to stay away from the market, you can be able to stay away. So it gives opportunities much more often. And again, what I would like to emphasize is, guys, learn to journal your trades. Write them down as you are a beginner, and please do not forget to click on the link below to join my free Telegram group. Is where I give more information, more analysis. And also, guys, if you like to learn directly from me, click on the link below, join the Forex Heroes 2.0 course. And also, if you like to make money while I make money, join the Signals group. It's only $30 per month, which is 500 rand in South Africa. Please do not forget to join and share this video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And also, guys, please do not forget that Forex trading, you need to know why you are in it. You understand? run your journey at your own pace. Don't ever compete with other traders, because you don't even know their level of trading, how far they've come, the losses they've encountered, how long they've been in the game. So basically, don't compare yourself with someone that you see that, no, this person, I don't even know their journey. So learn to just know your place and run your own race at your own pace, guys. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Thank you.